What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set up stop loss on Bybit. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to come to Google and search for Bybit, and then after searching for Bybit, go to bybit.com. You can actually go to bybit.com from the link in the description, and you will get some benefits from that link as well. Now, once you are in the Bybit, you just have to log into your account. If you do not have any account, you'll be able to create new account from the link in the description as well. Once you have new account, what you have to do is you just have to go to trade, and then I'm going to go to the spot trading. And the spot trading, suppose I want to set up a stop loss. So here you just have to enter the quantity you will be spending. Suppose you want to be putting two Bitcoins. This is what you will be able to see. Here you just have to click on this checkbox. Once you do that, you'll be able to set your stop loss limit. You just have to do that according to you. You can set the limit, order price, however you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to set up stop loss on Bybit. Hope you guys find this video helpful.